Step 1, vacuum. Step 2, you want to make a template. And get yourself a roll of paper, just like this. Lay this out where you want it. And we're just going to keep rolling and cutting.
Yeah.
Oh. So we put the template together. Just used a roll of paper and we duct taped all the edges just so it doesn't rip. I forgot to do the front, but we ran out of duct tape, so we just gotta be careful in the front. But you want to make sure it's tight with all the seams. That way, when you actually go to cut, see if you step on it with the seams, you want to make sure there's no gap when it pulls in. That way, when you make your actual template and you cut, it'll look really good. This stuff is really nice. Look at that. It's nice, it's waterproof. And it's like anti-skid. You could feel it. It's really nice stuff. Can't wait to have it laid out in the boat. So step number 3, use the template to cut out your piece. So we're gonna lay this out on this clean paper, and then we're gonna trace out the template and cut. All right, so we got our template laid out here. So we'll trace this out with a Sharpie, and then we'll get cutting. All right, we got it all traced out. We're gonna move the outline and we're gonna start cutting with, can I see the tool? We're gonna cut with this, a skill, I guess it's a carpet cutter. It's really for anything though, you can cut anything with it. So we're gonna use this. You want to test fit it in the boat. Knobs back there. And then if they fall into place, I think we're good. Next steps is we're gonna use this roller and roll out the glue up front with it up. And then we're gonna lay it out on there. And then we're gonna work our way all the way back. And then at the end, we're gonna roll it on with this just to make sure that all the glue gets everywhere. I'm not sure how much we're gonna go through, but we have this container of Lawn Seal 400 contact adhesive. That's what this vinyl floor calls for. So let's roll it on. All right, got the vinyl flooring glued in, but it looks so good. And the key to using this stuff is we rolled up the vinyl flooring, rolled it all up to here, to where I'm standing, and then we peeled it back here. We put the contact adhesive all up front. We rolled it on with a roller, and then what we did is you let it tack up, and then you put the floor down and it starts sticking. You want to roll it out with the rubber roller to make it sit flat and get the corners all done and laid out nicely. But after it starts tacking up, that's when it'll actually start adhering. So don't put it down when it's wet, put it down when it's tacky, and then it'll start sticking. We're gonna finish it off with some carpet on the sides, and it'll make it look a lot better. But we got this vinyl flooring. This is the premier vinyl flooring from Boat Outfitters. Go check out Boat Outfitters for this.